A lot of drivers this week just couldn't figure out what lane to get in. Stick around. Our first fickle driver realizes, hey, if I keep going straight, I'm going to end up on the sidewalk. To exit or not to exit? That is the question. Either way,
Gore point violation.
this driver attempting to make a left turn is on the wrong side of the road. It looks like we have a standoff. This is a very popular parking spot in the no parking zone. Ever seen a phantom lane change? Ah, the joys of morning rush hour commute when people just refuse to queue up until the last second.
Now for a cutoff montage.
This driver goes coast to coast.
And now it's time for Atlanta's favorite pastime, red light running.
When I finally caught up with this red light runner, because oddly enough he decided to stop for this light, he then decides, yeah, one lane is just not wide enough for me. What was the point of that lane change? Or that lane change? And finally, I got a lane splitter. This is illegal in the state of Georgia. Now let's see what happened just seconds before. Oh, that could have been bad.